Welcome to Trend Hunter's Now Trending video series. Today we're covering emerging sustainability trends as this category becomes more and more relevant to how consumers will make purchasing decisions in the future. The urgency of resolving climate change has impacted industries that range from health to the food space. Our insight, Reduce Cooking, is revealing one of the ways that the food industry is prioritizing sustainability. In this insight, we see how celebrity chefs are collaborating with brands to showcase eco-friendly food and beverages. Products and services in this emerging trend include everything from vegan drive-thrus to food waste-made drinks. With the food and beverage industry being a major contributor to global waste, it only makes sense that popular voices in this space are looking to the future and adjusting their offerings now. The travel industry is a space rife for improvement in the eco-space, with everything from carbon emissions to excess consumption while traveling. Now, brands in this industry are helping consumers reduce their impact, which we see in our Insight Eco Travel. Everything from rewards points for traveling sustainably to eco-friendly airports are setting precedents for how this industry can better prioritize sustainability for years to come. Waste reduction is becoming increasingly popular through methods like upcycling and the removal of single-use plastics in many retail spaces. With our Insight Waste discount, we see how brands are incentivizing consumers to choose waste-reducing products. Everything from expired but usable beauty product discounts to discounts on foods that are close to expiry are helping consumers to be more sustainable in their everyday purchases. In the past year and a half, it's become increasingly clear that the medical industry is a major contributor to global waste. With the pandemic and the resulting mask wearing making the situation worse, the idea of our Insight Medicinal Waste is that health and medical brands are reducing their environmental impact by creating products from waste. Examples in this space include everything from supplements and medicine made with crustacean shells to bandages that are made from discarded durian husks. This shift shows that the medical industry can innovate in order to meet the sustainability mandates and goals. As the climate crisis worsens, so do consumers' concerns over how their lifestyle and purchasing decisions will contribute to this global issue. As this concern grows and government-instituted sustainability mandates become stricter, brands will be focusing more on sustainability in the years to come than ever before. Thanks for watching. At Trend Hunter, we document emerging trends every day, keeping an eye on innovative products and services to help businesses as they create the future. Be sure to subscribe, and if you'd like to see more insights and innovations in real time, head to trendhunter.com where we post daily articles about the innovative products that inform these insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.